Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In this video, we want to learn how to convert decimals to percentage. As always, this video is meant for teenagers or young adults in grade 6 all the way to grade 9, so they will find this video more helpful. For those of our colleagues who are in Ghana, Nigeria, and other English-speaking countries in West Africa or Africa in general, if you are in junior high school, or primary 5, 6, all the way to junior high school, you'll really find this video helpful. Now I'll be solving about 6 or 5 examples with you to show you how to convert decimals to percentage, and I'll give you about 6 to 7 homework or assignment which I expect you to complete and write the answers in the comment section for me to mark and give you the feedback. Alright, so in the previous video we looked at how to convert percentage to decimals, and I gave you guys some examples. These are the homeworks I gave you guys to complete. So let's look at that of today. So we are to convert decimals to percentage. So the first example that we have over here is 0.09. Okay, so we are to convert this decimal to percentage. Now the fact that the question is saying percentage means we are dealing with 100. 100 has how many zeros? It has 2 zeros. Okay, so which means we'll be moving the decimal point that we have in this expression 0.09 twice, but this time around we'll be moving it from our left to our right, so in this direction. Okay, once we move it twice, where the decimal point lands, that number becomes the percentage. So for instance, our 0.09 over here, if we move the decimal point twice from left to right, it is going to be something like this: 1, 2. So the decimal point is now after the 9. So this is equal to, it's like having 009. Okay, but the zeros in front of the 9 don't count because they don't have any value. So this is equal to 9, and so therefore it is 9%. That is how you do it. That is one way of doing it. Or another way of doing it is simply just by multiplying the 0.09 by 100, and that will give you 9% as your answer, right? So it's either you multiply by 100 or you move the decimal point twice. Okay, all right, so that is the first example. Let's look at other examples. All right, so let's have a look at the second example. We have 0.36. Okay, like I said, the first method of doing this is just multiply it by 100, and that will give you your percentage. The second one is just to move the decimal place twice, and that will also give you your percentage. So the first one is to multiply this by 100. Okay, so 0.36 multiplied by 100 will give us 36%. Or if you write the 0.36 here like this, and then we move the decimal point twice towards our right, that is from the left to the right, we will also get the same answer. So we move it, this is 1, 2, so the decimal point is now over here. So this is equal to, you have your 0 and then you have your 3 and 6, the decimal point is over here. Okay, so you can leave it like that. So the 0 in front of all of it has no value, so this is basically 36, and then you add your percentage sign to it, and that is equal to 36. So this is how we convert decimals to percentage. This is very easy, straightforward, no time to waste. All right, so let's have a look at more examples, and then we take home some assignments. Okay, so let's look at the next example that I have. So we have to convert 0.4 to percentage, and then the next one after that is 0.01, and then I have 23.4 also to percentage. All right, so let's have a look at this. So for the first one, we can multiply that by 100, and if we do that, this is going to give us 40%. Okay, so 0.4 multiplied by 100 will give you 40, so you add your percentage sign, or you write your 0.4 and then you move the point twice, so you have 1 2, so the decimal point is now over here. So because this place is empty, you add 0 over there, so this is equal to 040. Okay, and the 0 in front of the 4 does not have any value, so this is literally 040, and then you add your percentage, so that is 40%. All right, so for the next example, we multiply it by 100. That is one way. So 0.01 multiplied by 100 will give me 1%. Or I write my 0.01 here. I move the decimal place twice. Okay, so I do it 1 2, it is now here. So this is like 001, okay, which is the same as 1%. Okay, 001, the zeros in front of it, like I said, they have no place value, so the answer is 1%. All right, so for this case we have a 23.4%, so we multiply that by 100 and that will give us our answer. So 23.4 multiplied by 100 will give us 2340%. Are you okay? This is the answer we will get. Or if we do it our normal way, so 23.4, okay, so because we are converting to percentage, we'll move the decimal place 2 times. Okay, so this time around it is over here, so it's 1 2, it is now over here, so we add 0 over here, so this now becomes 2340, and then we add the percentage just like we had over here. Okay, so this few examples show us how to convert decimals to percentage regardless of the number that they gave to you, and it is in a form of percentage. Let's say we even have 0.0004, right? So this one still will have to move the decimal place twice, so this is 1 2, so the decimal place is now here. Are you okay? So this is equal to 0.04. Okay, so these zeros have no value, so this is equal to 0.04. Then you add your percentage and this becomes your answer. So regardless of how the question is phrased or given to you, since you are supposed to convert to percentage, you move from the left to the right, you move the decimal point twice, and then you get your answer, or you multiply it by 100 and then you get your answer. So thank you so much for watching. Now let's have our homework, and then write the answers to our homework in the comment section below. Okay, so let's go ahead and have our homework for the day. Okay, so we have to convert the following decimals to percentage. To convert the following decimals to percentages. Okay, right, so we have one. I have 0.65, 2, 3, 4. So I have 0.003. I also have 1.18, 3.33, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me give you more. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. Okay, so here I have 1.732, 6.44, 2.73, 0.007, 1.103, 2.08, 4.13. This is just points. Okay, 6.34. Okay, so this is your homework on this particular topic. So thank you so much for watching. I'm expecting your answers in the comment section. So this is how you reply with your answer. So you just write from 1 to 12. So 1, then you write your answer in percentage. 2, you write your answer in percentage. 3, you write your answer in percentage, like that all the way to the last one. So let's say if my answer for number 1 is 65, I'll just write 1, 65%, then 2, if it's 3%, is 3%, like that all the way till the end. Okay, so please, these are not correct, so don't use that as an excuse. So you have 1 to 12, and then I'll be expecting your answers in the comment section, like I said. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.